Ljubljana, 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 Ljubljana.
Hi everyone, now we are in Ljubljana. Welcome to my homeland. Even though I don't feel like a Slovenian at all, now I'm discovering my roots. And I'm gonna give you a super thorough analysis of Ljubljana in one afternoon. So you have been in Ljubljana for exactly 30 minutes. What's your first impression?
Very good city. Better than Rijeka.
Ljubljana in general is a really cool city for young people, so there's a lot of like hip underground places where you can have like techno parties during the day.
The art is better here? Yeah, I think so too. You know, I think it's because Slovenians generally have less cultural heritage, so they need to try harder. I hope none of my Slovenian friends, by the way I have 0, will get mad at this.
Quiconque, homme ou animal qui passe devant moi.
And what does it say in short?
I have no idea.
I realize that architecture here is really cute. What do you think about it, and does it remind you of some other city maybe?
I don't compare cities usually. Like every city has its own atmosphere and its own
Vibe.
beautiful and vibe.
So,
Hi, I'm Lorenzo. I'm an Erasmus student in Rijeka, and
thank you for making my job shorter.
I think that remind me a lot of East cities like Vienna.
That's
and,
not east.
Yeah, for me it's East.
Oh, okay.
Like a mix between Italian culture and Balkanic culture. So
Something that Slovenians don't want to be. They don't like to say that they're Balkans.
yeah.
Did you notice that there are no pigeons here?
Yeah, why? Because they eat all the pigeons. Maybe.
Well, hopefully not. But I saw on many windows those nails. you know,
like
nails.
no.
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
I understand what it is.
No pigeons at all.
But they had ostrich, you know, or emu.
Yeah, they had ostrich instead,
kind of
which
thing
is
in Ljubljana.
far more important,
Everyone has
and it
emu.
really makes up for the lack of pigeons here. Hey,
Hey.
do you know something in Slovenian? Do you know how to say something?
No, maybe Hvala. International.
International Balkan. And what about how the place looks like?
It's a European city. It all looks the same.
Great.
So-
I love when people are talkative like this. Okay, so now we decided to take a look around the city. My impression for now is that it's really lovely, it's really cute, and I think my fellow companions here agree.
Yes.
It's okay, so I will tell everything anyway. The streets look really modern and cute and really youth-friendly, so from my opinion I would recommend to visit this town, if not even live here.
Yes.
We are in Metelkova. I think it used to be something for military, and now it's just like squats and graffitis and clubs.
So now we are at the party place and it looks really scary, really freaky. I don't know if I would be happy to party here with those weird goblins over there.
Where I love Ah.
What did you expect?
I think it's pretty cool. It looks kind of like a bit like a ghetto, but it looks cool.
It's a bit strange and weird.
But-
on the whole, okay.
But can you picture yourself partying here in the night?
No.
Okay, so this is absolutely not what I expected. I was expecting something more like, you know, old and castle-ish. I'm missing the middle-age spirit here. The middle-age factor, like germs and plague. Oh.
It's really beautiful.
Really? You find it beautiful? For me, I think it's a little bit shitty.
The price.
Isn't it?
It's a bit underwhelming. But I do like the Alps. Look, that's a nice.
Yeah, the Alps are
I
really
like that
nice.
part. But Zagreb is kind of prettier, so.
So now we have been in Ljubljana for the whole day, and what do you think about the city after sightseeing, and would you recommend it?
I really like it, and I think that we should be here more than one day because it's really big, and I would recommend it to everyone. So come here.
My favorite thing was the castle because it's got history.
Yeah, it was really nice. The castle was my favorite thing because you have like a nice view from there, an amazing view. So yeah, I recommend it.
The best, the view from the castle. I'm this simple man, no? I like the simple things.
Rather being here.
Probably this moment.